Okay, good morning, good morning. Andito po tayo ngayon sa LA, yung unang kumpanya ng in and out dito sa Los Angeles. Dito sa Baldwin Park. Ayan. Titingnan natin ngayon yung mga product at susubukan natin yung product nila kasi ito number 1 ngayon dito sa Amerika.
Yes, at yan. So, magkano lang yung burger that time? 25 cents.
25 ngayon.
30 cents ang cheeseburger. French fries, 15 cents. Ayan.
Wow. Ganon sila nag-umpisa.
Yes. So, here's our equipment. Hi, Kenny. It's good morning. So, we are from the Philippines. And, so maybe
for a burger.
Yeah. So maybe you can walk us through.
Yeah, so this is a replica of the original In-N-Out, started in 1948. If you come inside, step back in time, 1948. That's exactly how the kitchen looked back then. Or the stand looked.
Who started in and out?
Right there, these two. This gentleman and his wife, Harriet Snyder and Esther Snyder.
This is number 1.
Correct. And the original one actually sat across the street where the freeway sign's at.
Yeah.
And in 1955 moved over here. So this is what it looked like back then before the freeway.
And of course, there, look. And this is their drive-through. So mga kaante, itatry po natin yan later. Ito po yung kanilang ano. So,
Right, so kayo dito sa
in and out.
in and out. Yeah.
Kaante from Philippines.
There we go. You can take another picture if you want.
Subukan natin ngayon lang ako papasok dito. Yan. Matikman natin yung in and out nila.
Try natin mga kaante.
Maganda ko kay Camilo. Yan. Siyempre tayo dito sa in and out. Nakita mo, ito may extra sili pa. Alaki nyo lang dito. Banana pepper. Banana pepper.
Kaante, ano ba yan?
Okay. Good morning ulit sa mga kaante dyan. Ito. Andito tayo sa in and out. Ayan, sinubukan natin itong double. Tingnan natin kung kaya natin bunin. Pero kayang-kaya siguro dahil napakasarap. Tingnan natin. Okay.